Start off with this lip mask from Laneige. Their Special Care Lip Sleeping Mask in Berry to prep my lips. Then, to prep my skin, I'm going to use the Evian Natural Mineral Water Facial Spray. It's literally water in a bottle. It's nothing special. I'm still getting over the flu and my skin has been really bad from that. So I'm still kind of recovering what my skin is. We're going to start off with some base makeup. This is Glossier's Stretch Concealer in Medium, which is now like G8 or G7 or G8. I'm going to place that under my eye. Then I'm also putting it on my nose, because I've also been having a lot of redness there. Especially like under my nose, it's like really red. Or like right here in this chin part. This is Laura Mercier's translucent powder. I think I'm actually running out of this. I'm using a beauty blender to press in the powder. And if there's any extra powder, I just press it in. I'm also going to powder the perimeter of my face. So moving on to eye makeup. It looks like I'm wearing eye makeup, but I just curled my lashes earlier. I'm going to use this palette from Clinique. And I'm taking the second shade to the left, placing that all over the lid. This is like a rose gold shade. Taking this more brownish shade, I'm going to place that in the outer V. I'm going to place an outer V but closer to the lash line. Then I'm also placing a little bit on the front. And then with the darkest shade in the palette, I'm gonna line the lid. I'm gonna create a wing also. And then repeat that on the other eye. Oh, lost an eyelash. That's so sad. So I'm gonna take that same rose gold shade and put it on the lower lash line. So put it on the lower 2/3 of the lower lash line, so just this area. Now I'm taking more of a slimmer brush. I'm taking the brown shade and putting it on the lower outer third of the lower lash line. I'm gonna line my eyes with gel pencil liner. This one is from Maclean. I'm just gonna redefine that wing also. Then I'm just gonna curl my lashes and put mascara on them. This is L'Oreal's Telescopic Mascara. Spend my lifetime with you. I wanna spend my life. So for blush, I can't read it. 3CE's Mood Beige collection. Blushes in rose beige. I'm mainly placing it right here in the middle. For lip color, so for the base of my lips, I'm going to use MAC's Velvet Teddy. This is a classic lip color. And I'm just dabbing this on. And then finally for the inside, I'm going to do a gradation. I'm using Etude House's Dear Darling tint in OR203. Place that in the middle. Place more of the MAC Teddy over it to help blend it out. Okay, the final step is highlighter. I'm using Wet n Wild's highlighting glow bar in Holly Goldhead. This is such a pretty shade. I'm only putting this on the Cupid's bow though. That one's limited edition, but it's basically like any other gold highlighter. For the rest of my face, I'm using MAC's Soft and Gentle. Placing it on the tip of the nose. The inner corners. Also a little bit on the brow bone. That's it. Let's take my hair down. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And yeah, happy Valentine's Day. Can you sing my heart?